Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of gaming basics. In this video we are going to learn how to fix Hamster Kombat unable to log in. So the very first step to check is that make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Go to your control panel and there you can see that if you are connected to your Wi-Fi or not. So make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Now second step is that restart your app. Here to open the Hamster Kombat app you have to open Telegram. So it's not working, then simply swipe up this app and here it will show the app launcher. Now from the app launcher also swipe up to remove this app from the app launcher and again open the Telegram app and try to open Hamster Kombat. Now for login problem, make sure that your login information are correct and do not forget to recheck that information to fix this problem. Now another reason for the problem is that if you are not connected with the official Hamster Kombat page, so make sure that it is the official Hamster Kombat. You can check that if this page has the official blue tick, then it is the official Hamster Kombat. So make sure you are joining on that channel, and if all these methods does not work for you, the last step is that you can contact to the customer service of Hamster Kombat. So these are the methods that you can check if you are having some problem in Hamster Kombat unable to log in. So this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.